In AD 69, Vespasian ascended to the throne during one of Rome's most chaotic periods, known as the Year of the Four Emperors. Renowned for his military prowess and strategic acumen, Vespasian's reign marked a turning point in Roman history. One of his first acts as emperor was to address the dire financial state Rome found itself in. Vespasian implemented sweeping financial reforms, including new taxes and restoring the empire's fiscal health with remarkable efficiency. His frugality and practical approach earned him respect and stabilized Rome's economy. Vespasian's most significant military achievement was the Siege of Jerusalem in AD 70. The revolt in Judea had been raging for years, and Vespasian, initially tasked with quelling the rebellion before his ascension, left the command to his son Titus. The siege was brutal and strategically complex. Roman legions systematically encircled Jerusalem, cutting off supplies and leading to famine within the city walls. The fall of Jerusalem, marked by the destruction of the Second Temple, was a decisive victory for Rome and underscored Vespasian's effectiveness as a military strategist. Beyond his military and economic reforms, Vespasian was deeply invested in public works, including initiating the construction of the Flavian Amphitheater, known today as the Colosseum. His reign brought much-needed stability, leaving a legacy of resilience and renewal.